Programming is dead, and we killed it. So, what can we do now? What even makes someone hireable as an entry level dev these days? Companies are not willing to train anyone anymore. There is way too many technologies and tech stacks to learn. Lead code is hell. Neat code, the friendly neighborhood Indian guru, had a crash out recently where he suggested that some people should just give up. The CS industry as a whole seems to be stuck in pandemonium, and juniors are cursed to be in the deepest circle of tutorial hell. Web dev is saturated, so don't go for that. Cybersecurity is a nightmare, so don't go for that. Cloud computing doesn't hire entry level devs, so don't go for that. Data science is irrelevant now because of AI engineering, so don't go for that. And becoming an AI engineer is just plain immoral and also impossibly difficult, so don't go for that. Also, you're not a savant, so don't go for quant either. And IT? Who gives a fuck about IT? The most lucrative and successful career you can have after a CS degree is talking about CS. Add to that an economy that doesn't know if it wants to grab life by the bullhorns or choose a bear over human people. All the while, people are losing their lives and livelihood left and right. The number one tip seems to be to just socialize and network to get a reference for a job. But socialize? I mean, we are programmers. We don't socialize. That's a slur for us. Like our Brad Pitt sits around in a dark room with an overgrown mustache and a mullet, wearing his zip up hoodie while stretching out reaction content. Online gurus will tell you to do a lot of the initial work on your own to meet the company's needs, so you become an asset that, if not speeds things up, then at the very least does not slow the team down by constantly asking for help. But even that depends upon being hired first, which depends on passing the interview, which depends on getting an interview, which depends on getting past the automated AI job application filter. And even if you get past the interview, it is 7 rounds of lead code, take home projects, behavioral analysis, system design, knife juggling, stand up comedy, and a test to see if you have a gag reflex or not. So, like, what do you even do? People online joke about picking up construction or plumbing as the new job, but these supple hands are meant for teasing and flirting with mechanical cherry switches, not for handling buzz saws and industrial drills. This reminds me of a quote by Nietzsche: CS is dead. CS remains dead, and we have killed it. How shall we comfort ourselves? Killers of all animators. So, what can we do? I mean, this is one way, and if not that, then just stick with the grind. Subscribe to NeetCode, make another project, add a zero to the number of job applications you send daily, and maybe even visit church this Sunday. See if bribing God can earn you some good luck. You might have noticed I didn't talk much about AI in this video. Neither this AI nor this AI. I have a separate video coming up for that, so subscribe to the channel to not miss it. And like the video as well while you are at it. And leave your own success or struggle journey in the comments below and what helped you actually bridge the gap and not end up homeless. Okay, thank you.